Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. I sure appreciate any comments. If you can hit the subscribe button, even shoot me a message. Tell me where you're from, whether it be Canada, America, Europe, UK, Mexico, down under in Australia. Anyways, thanks for watching Hellendale Hot Rods. Hey guys, welcome back to Hellendale Hot Rods. Today we got a little bit different project. I'm going to be working on a tiny welding table. I just got rid of a big junk collector. It was a good welding table, but I want function, not fashion. Here's the old welding table. It was a great welding table, but it became kind of a junk collector. A little bit too large for what I needed, and it kind of became in the way sometimes. So I want to take some of the features from it and incorporate it into a smaller compact unit, kind of a fixture and welding table. Well, I brought in this old welding table that I had. It doesn't take up a lot of room, but I think I'm gonna kind of repurpose it. I just got the vise sitting on there. As soon as I sold my welding table, I went, oh man, I gotta put my vise somewhere. So I'm gonna try and utilize the space. This was always a junk collector for just bits of metal and crap. And it was nice and heavy, and it was a good anchor, but it was just a cluster in there. I had built it as kind of a fixture so you could hold, stuff up and down. But I got lots of clamps. I want to hang off this thing. I want it kind of a multi-purpose table. So welcome to the video. All right, phase one complete is a little fixture table, multi-purpose table. I got it's a vise, right? It's not rocket science, but I'm further ahead now. As you can see, it's it's pretty anchored. It's there's a big plate under here, and then there's another one here. So okay, for the next little step on this fixture table. These are my little metal shears. They're for sheet metal and thicker, a little, maybe 14 gauge. It's a handy little tool to have. I'm gonna put a little, like a receiver tube underneath, and I can, if I run out of room here, I can go around to the other side. And I might even put another receiver over here just to put it out of the way. Once that's done, I'll move on to some little clamp hangers below and try and utilize the extra space here. Okay, just getting the receiving tube ready for my little shears there. So what I've done is I want to have some lock levers, I guess you would call them, on either side, so the tube doesn't slide in and out. I want to lock it in place. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole, and then I have a bolt through. I'm going to weld this nut here. Pretty self-explanatory. Yes, I could have topped this because it's pretty thick, but I woke up today and I didn't really want to top anything. All right, well that seems to have worked all right. I got it mostly tacked in there. Here it is. Got the adjuster screw on the, I think I'm gonna shorten this little T screw to, so I don't catch the boys on it. But, you know, I can come, I guess, way out here. And I mean, it's quite sturdy. This should work pretty darn good, I must say. And that's locked in place. Like I said, I can go to either side. We should probably try this sucker, right? Can we get a piece of steel? Nice and sturdy. This 16 gauge. 18, sorry. 16. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah. Nice. That's pretty damn handy. Okay, well, let's work on the clamp holders and the pizza oven and the hot chocolate maker. Well, slowly but surely, my dirty old welding fixture is coming to life. I cut a slot in the 1x2 tubing and 2 places. I put it on a little bit of an angle so gravity took over. It works pretty good, I guess. So the next thing is the C-clamps. I'm actually going to take some 1x4 and I'm gonna put that there like that, and should be just about it. I'm gonna maybe try and figure something out for my grinders, but alrighty, here goes. Well, this is the reason why I need a storage space for all my clamps. And I mean, on the grand scale, I know I don't have a ton of clamps, but you always want more. There's the old saying, whoever's got the most toys at the end wins. I think it's the most clamps, and I'm not even near finished. So that's the problem. We have a solution with this new stand. Okay, we have a storage solution. That went really, really good. You got your cutters, you know, a few the vice clamps. Was able to put some storage for the hammers. That was kind of a after the fact. Grinder storage, you know, they're always winding up on a tabletop. Like I said, it was nice to get this little shear in here that, you know, you can put on either side. We've got a nice flat little spot for welding. C-clamps. Nice red color to save my shins. Got some of the other clamps. The vise. Like I had said previously, this little swing arm type thing here is adjustable up and down, and it pivots as well. And that it's quite helpful when you're doing some sort of vertical welding where you got to hold it vertically, obviously. We got a nice 90-ish right there, but you know, there's plenty of clamping services. I just needed a little table for some of the little stuff I work on. You know, this is something you can kind of pound on a little bit. You know, I can obviously put another larger piece of steel on top for maybe a little heavier handling. It's sitting on a bit of dirt right now, but it is quite solid. So quite happy with this. Maybe it's not everybody's ideal type of welding table, but it was a really good solution for me. You know, everybody has a big space or small space, and, you know, real estate in your shop is at a premium. So if you can save a little space somewhere, it's nice. So anyways, thanks for watching. Tune in next time.